is a difference between the program of God and our program.
Kuna utofauti katikati ya programu ya Mungu na programu yetu.
One,
jambo la kwanza,
the program of God is eternal.
Programu ya Mungu ni ya milele.
So his program covers your life in this earth and even after the life on this earth.
Na kwa hivyo programu yake inahusisha maisha hapa ulimwenguni na baada ya ulimwengu.
Secondly,
jambo la pili,
your program,
programu yako
can be changed.
Inaweza badilishwa.
But the program of God cannot be changed.
Lakini programu ya Mungu haiwezi badilishwa.
So the things that can stop your program cannot stop the program of God.
Kwa hivyo mambo ambayo yanaweza zuilia programu yako haiwezi zuilia programu ya Mungu.
So when God is calling us into his program,
hivyo Mungu anapotuita katika programu yake,
he is calling us into a program that cannot be changed or stopped.
Anatuita katika programu ambayo haiwezi zuiliwa na haiwezi badilishwa.
Now the third difference between the program of God and our program.
Na sasa jambo la tatu la utofauti wa programu yetu na programu ya Mungu
is that the program of God
ni kwamba programu ya Mungu
is complete.
Ni imekamilika.
But our program is not complete.
Lakini programu yetu haijakamilika.
And therefore,
na kwa hivyo,
when he is calling us into his program,
wakati anatuita katika programu yake,
he is calling us into something that is complete.
Anatuita katika jambo ambalo limekamilika.
Something that is ready.
Jambo ambalo liko tayari.
Concerning your tomorrow and my tomorrow,
kuhusu kesho yako na kesho yangu,
we will know about it when we get there.
Tutajua kuhusu tukifika hapo.
But in God's program,
lakini katika programu ya Mungu,
he knows tomorrow.
Anajua kesho.
He knows what is there for you tomorrow.
Anajua ni nini kipo kwa ajili yako kesho.
And therefore he is calling you and me.
Na kwa hivyo anakuita wewe na mimi.
To obey him.
Tumtii.
And when we obey,
na tukitii,
we wait there.
Tungojea.
To see what is in the plan of God.
Kuona kile kiko katika mpango wa Mungu.
What is in the program of God.
Kile kiko katika